Types of fertilizers. We will discuss 4 different types of fertilizers. Number 1, ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate is prepared by reacting ammonia with nitric acid. Ammonia is obtained from the Haber process and nitric acid is obtained from the Oswald process. Ammonium nitrate is highly soluble and is favorable for plant absorption. Number 2, ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate is obtained by reacting ammonia with sulfuric acid. Ammonia is obtained from the Haber process and sulfuric acid is obtained from the contact process. Ammonium sulfate is highly soluble and it's favorable for plant absorption. Number 3, ammonium phosphate, superphosphates. In South Africa, phosphate rock is mined as fluoropytite, which is Ca5PO4 taken 3 times F. Please refer to the diagram on page 363. Number 4, urea. Urea is obtained using the following equation. The impact of fertilizers on humans and the environment. Fertilizers causes destruction in the soil structure and leads to a decrease in the amount of humus in the soil, which is decaying plant material. The soil becomes too acidic. It promotes the growth of invader plants. High concentration of nitrates in drinking water may cause problems for small babies. Groundwater can become contaminated. It causes eutrophication and dead zones, and thus decreases water quality and aquatic life can die. Eutrophication. What exactly is eutrophication? It is the swift and excessive growth of algae due to an excess of nutrients, which is nitrogen and phosphates in the water. Oxygen levels in the water are depleted, and this leads to the death of water plants, fish, and other organisms. There are 3 causes of eutrophication. Number 1, over-fertilization. Nutrients seep into the groundwater. Sewage waste seeps into the groundwater streams and rivers. And lastly, ammonia in runoff from stock farming seeps into groundwater. Consequences. The consequences of eutrophication. Swift excessive growth of algae. The algae causes shortage of oxygen in the water and thus leads to aquatic life dying. Eutrophication also on land, weeds grow at the cost of indigenous plants. There is a change in the diversity of species and soil erosion due to the absence of natural vegetation. Reduction and prevention. Please read through agriculture, stock farming, landscape management, regulation of urban runoff. Alternatives to inorganic fertilizer. Genetically modified organisms such as GMOs, biological fertilizers, and manure instead of fertilizer. Your homework for today. Please read through pages 362 to 367 and answer question 8 and 10 of exercise 33.